Office 365 personal and family subscriptions are great for many people. I am one of them, as I need to access a wide variety of files on various computers, a tablet and a couple of smartphones. I also benefit from the large 1TB OneDrive storage. So for me, £84.99 is worth the investment. Many of you, however, could save up to £85 in just the first year by checking out one of the 3 alternatives to see if it could fit the bill for you. These 3 options are: number 1, using Office Online, which is a free service, with your 5GB OneDrive on your computer. Option 2 is by taking on a subscription to Office 365 Basic for £1.99 a month. And option 3 is to purchase Office 2024. Office Online may be useful for you if you are happy to only work on your files whilst they are stored on your OneDrive on a PC or a Mac. Or also, you can also use it to work on linked email attachments, which means that emails received to that email address, you can work on them in the OneDrive using Office Online. And also, if you don't need the advanced features of Word, Excel or PowerPoint, and if you're happy to have just Outlook and OneDrive on the mobile devices you have, because they're actually free to anyone to use, there's no need for any subscriptions at all. Number 2, if you need more space than 5GB, but you still want to use Office Online, you can take out a basic Office 365 Basic subscription for an ad-free Outlook experience and also 100GB of space for £20 a year, which you can pay at £1.99 a month, giving you more room to work on your files in the cloud. Option 3 is suitable for you if you only use a single PC or Mac for the primary apps of Word, Excel and PowerPoint, but you need the full features of those apps. Then you could save money in year 2. So you spend a bit more in year 1, but you save money in year 2. And then you save even more in year 3 by buying Office 2024 outright. The home version is currently available for £120, and the business version is available for £250 because it includes Outlook. The downside to this option is that you still have the 5GB OneDrive. There are no updates to the software. There's no other apps, just the Word, Excel and PowerPoint. However, if you have a Microsoft account, you still have the 5GB OneDrive, and you can still upgrade that 5GB using Office 365 Basic to give you 100GB of storage if you want to. So those are the 3 options. I hope this video has been very helpful for you. If it has, do like and subscribe, and I will keep making videos. Speak to you soon. Bye.